Welcome. The question today is on trigonometry, and it reads, if tan theta is 8 over 15, find the value of sine theta minus cosine of theta all over cosine of theta plus sine theta without using a calculator or a table. So we've been told that tangent of theta is equal to 8 over 15. So we will interpret this ratio using a right angle triangle. So drawing the right angle triangle. So here is 90, and then let this angle be theta, so that from the ratio here, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So with respect to angle theta, opposite is this side, 8, and adjacent is this side, and that is 15. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to get the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse here will be base squared 15 squared plus the height squared, that is 8 squared. Find its square root, and that is 17 if you work out that correctly. So with that, still we are going to apply this SOHCAHTOA. Where we have sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that from the equation, we are to get sine of theta, cosine of theta. So sine of theta, from the diagram, we have now at theta, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and opposite side is 8, that is with respect to theta, and the hypotenuse is 17. So we have 8 over 17. Next, we also have cosine of theta. So cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we come here, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so adjacent is 15. Hypotenuse is 17. Replacing sine theta, cosine theta with these values, we will simply have sine theta being 8 over 17 minus cosine of theta is 15 over 17, and that will be divided by cosine of theta. Here we have 15 all over 17 plus sine of theta 8 over 17. Remember, we are substituting in this problem here. So we have, so on the numerator, when that is worked out, we are simply going to have negative 7 over 17 for the numerator, divided by 23 all over 17 for the denominator. So working out this, we should get negative 7 over 17 times 17 over 23, and finally the result becomes negative 7 over 23. So 17 and 17 will cancel. And finally, that is the result. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.